Hi, I'm Pushkar and I'm discussing KVPY 2019 SX paper, chemistry paper part 1. Here is question number 11. Thermal decomposition of N2O5 occurs as per the equation below. Twice of N2O5 breaking into 4 and N2 plus O2. Correct statements are. Correct statement is the O2 production rate is 4 times the NO2 production rate. O2 production rate is same as that of rate of disappearance of N2O5 and the rate of disappearance of N2O5 is 1/4 of NO2's production rate and the rate of disappearance of N2O5 is twice the O2 production rate. So let us pick out the correct statement. For this we need to see the relationship twice of N2O5 changing into 4 of NO2 plus O2. So our relationship is minus 1 upon 2 dN2O5 divided by dt should be equal to 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt and should be equal to dO2 by dt. That is rate of appearance of O2, that is rate of appearance of NO2, and this is rate of disappearance of N2O5. So taking this clue, if we use this, then we have to pick out the correct statements. O2 production rate is 4 times of NO2 production rate. It is wrong because O2 production rate is 1/4 of NO2's production rate. We can see from these two relationship. First statement is wrong. The O2 production rate is same as that of rate of disappearance of N2O5. That's also wrong because O2's production rate is half of the rate of disappearance of N2O5. The second statement is also wrong. Third is rate of disappearance of N2O5 is 1/4 of NO2's production rate. So rate of disappearance of this is equals to 1/4 of NO2's production rate. So that's also wrong. And finally, rate of disappearance of N2O5 is twice the O2 production rate. So rate of disappearance of N2O5 is this, and that is indeed twice of dN2O5 because if you take from these two relations, it is clear that minus d N2O5 divided by dt is equals to twice of dO2 by dt. So from this we can establish this relationship that the rate of disappearance of N2O5 is, rate of production of O2 is twice of the rate of disappearance of N2O5. So correct option is D. Pretty straightforward question. This is related to relationship between stoichiometric coefficient and rate of appearance and disappearance of reactants or product, and generally speaking we can write for A moles of A plus B moles of B changing into small c moles of capital C plus small d moles of capital D, we can write 1 upon A minus 1 upon A dA by dt is equals to minus 1 upon B dB by dt is equals to 1 by C dC by dt, and this is equals to 1 by D d by dt. And these quantities which are there in the brackets, and if we take the negative sign inside, these quantities in the bracket, if we take the negative sign inside, okay, they are respectively like this. This is rate of disappearance, ROD of A. This is rate of disappearance of B, and this is rate of appearance of C, and this is rate of appearance of D. So that is the relationship on which this question was based. I hope that you understand this solution and stay tuned for many such solutions. Thanks for watching.